Hi, my name is Tiffany, and today we will be reviewing a soft box lighting kit that I purchased from Amazon to do a little content. So let's get into it. Okay, now this is how things look with the light setup. This is the lighting. So here's the remote right here. You have your remote. And what you're going to do is you have warm. So you have warm, cold, and light. So this is warm, 20%, 50%, 100%. Okay, then we have cold, 20%, 50%, 100%. And then we have white, 20%, 50%, 100%. Now, what I want to remind you of is that you can actually, so right now it's white at 100%, but you can actually start to bring that white down. Nice. This is a nice white. The same thing with cold. Right now, we're going to say it's at 100%, and we're going to bring that down. Start bringing that light down, because sometimes you can have too much light. And then the same thing with warm. So right now we're at 100%. We might not want to be at 50 or 20. We might want to come down to 80, you know. And I think this is really good. So try this out. It's on Amazon. It's really nice. I think you'll like it. I will make sure that I put the link and everything in the description. So try this out. I think this is really beginner friendly, especially for me, and I'm sure you will like it as well. So thank you for watching.